The pressure of a gas is 3 atmospheric pressure when its temperature is 150 kelvins. If the pressure changes to 4.5 atmospheric pressure, what is the new temperature? So before we proceed guys, let's determine the variables and their values. So we have to proceed. Let's focus in initial pressure. So as it said in as it is said in the question, we have 3 atmospheric pressure for initial pressure. And then let's proceed. When its temperature is 150 kelvins, that will be initial temperature. Then, if the pressure changes to 4.5, that is our final pressure, what is the new temperature? So, let's copy the T2. So, let's cross multiply again. So, 3 times T2. Then, cross multiply 150 times 4.5. So, to isolate this, yung T2, let's divide both sides by 3. So, cancel, cancel. What's will gonna left is T2. So, since we have the equation, let's remove this because that is already cancelled out. So, let's solve this. 150 times 4.5. That will be 150 times 4.5 will be 675 over 3. So, 675 divided by 3 will be 200 will be 225 kelvins, and this is our final temperature.